guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. I'm finally doing my closet tour. I'll give you an overview of my closet in a second. But I decided just to go ahead and film it because my closet is pretty much done. There's not really going to change anything. I won't have a room tour up just yet because I'm still working on a couple of things. But I promise you, I promise it's coming soon. Leave a comment down below if you're excited for a room tour. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a tour of my closet. And also, if you're wondering why I look like this, like I haven't really done my hair, I have no makeup on. It's literally so hot. I was like, you know what? I don't even care. I'm not gonna put on makeup. I'm not gonna try to fix my hair because it's literally just hot and I just want to be comfortable. And this video is about my closet anyway, so it doesn't really matter what I look like. Just quickly, I want to give some information about my closet before I show you. Everything is from IKEA. It's the PAX like system, and I basically just went online into a little like design tool thing, like you can design your own closet, and I did that. I ordered everything that I needed and I built it. It was really hard to build, but yeah, so that's what I did. So everything is from IKEA, and you can literally buy every single thing and get the exact same closet, or just like customize it to your liking. So I think that's all I need to say. My hangers I get from a store called Action, and I don't know if it's in other countries as well, but here in the Netherlands we have an Action, and they're like super cheap. I get like a pack of I think 10 for like €2.50 or something, so they're great. I actually need to buy some more because I'm running out, but yeah, that's where I get my hangers. I like having just like same hangers all throughout. I kind of color coordinated my closet. I don't really love it yet. Like I'm still trying to figure out a system that works for me because I like having it like color coordinated, but I feel like because I have so many like whites and blacks, like sometimes it's really hard to like see what pieces I have because they all just kind of blend in together. So I'm gonna work on that myself, but for now it looks pretty good. So I'm going to try and have a nice overview of my closet, and then I'm just gonna give you a tour. I think I'm going to do it like this. I might be a little bit low because this closet is really high up, but this is like the easiest way for me to show you. So this is pretty much closet one, I guess. This is the first closet, I guess, first part. So these are all my black, gray, and white tops and dresses. As I said, I'm still trying to figure out some type of system that works for me, but this is what I have going on right now, and it works fine. I haven't really gone through my stuff and put away my winter clothes just because like before it got really hot, there were still some like chilly days where I would wear like a sweater, but I think maybe sometime this weekend or next week I'm gonna go through my closet and put away all my winter clothes. That way I have more room for summer clothing and stuff like that. But yeah, I pretty much just have everything that I can hang up. So like dresses, jackets, blazers, tops, whatever, sweaters, all of that is up here, and this all black, gray, and white. So over here I have a jewelry like organizer. I used to have this on my dresser, but I didn't love how it looked, so now it's just over here, and I don't really know what I want to do with it, but I'm just keeping it in here because that's the only place I can put it right now. And I have some bags in the back right here. If you lift up the dress, I have a little mini backpack and these bags over here that I don't really use on a daily basis, but I do want to have kind of out here if I want to grab one of them, so it's like easy, I don't know. Now over here I have 3 drawers, and the top drawer basically has all my socks. I have some bathing suits, I have like some bras here, which I don't really have many bras, I have like 2. I have underwear, and I got these little cubes from IKEA as well. I'm not gonna like show you in detail all of this stuff because like obviously it's like underwear and all of that. I have like bralettes, like it's honestly kind of a mess. I have some like tank tops or whatever. I hope you can see that over here, tank tops, and just a lot of underwear and like random stuff. I don't know, it's not very cute, but like, you know, whatever. Then down here I have all of my sleep clothes. So here I have like all my t-shirts and tops and whatever. Like I have so many. I honestly need to throw away a lot of it, but for some reason I'm like super attached to sleeping clothes. I don't know why. I have some sweatpants in the back, over here as well, and just some like lounge pants and all of that, like pair of leggings. Here I have some leggings, and then these are all my like shorts and stuff that I can sleep in. And yeah, again, it's not a very pretty drawer, but I mean, you need it. So, and the last drawer, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there you go. So in this last drawer, I actually have quite a lot of winter clothes. I have like my knitted like sweaters and stuff like that, and like cardigans. So I did put away that. I hope you can see it. And then here at the very bottom, I just have this thing from IKEA, which I don't really want to pull it out because it's kind of stuck. But I just put some like, what did I put in there? I think I put some, I don't know, again, like sweaters in winter, like really thick sweaters and hoodies that I don't really wear often, or like lounge sweaters, which I don't have hanging around because I know I'm not going to wear them. So those are in there. Again, it's from IKEA because of the doors. I couldn't put a drawer at the bottom, so I just got one of these, and it's really nice. So now we're moving on to the second closet. This is pretty much, as you can see, my colored clothes and like browns and like nudes. I'm really trying to buy more colored clothes because I kind of just want to wear more colors, especially for summer. So this is hopefully going to get a bit more full, a bit more colorful and fun. Yeah, nothing special, just all my tops and sweaters and whatever that is colored and that isn't black, white, or gray. I have up here, pretty self-explanatory. And then over here I have like a couple tops because, as I said, I'm running out of hangers, so I couldn't hang that up. And then I have two hats over here that I haven't really worn, but I'm gonna try to wear. So I just keep them over there. And then I have this, what is in here? Oh yeah, I have this little box right here from IKEA that just holds a beanie and some, oh actually it holds two beanies and some like makeup bags. So in the first drawer I keep all of my pants and skirts that aren't denim. I have like checkered stuff and stripes and just pants that aren't denim. And then I also have this little thing from IKEA again that holds my belts. Only have two, but yeah. If you're wondering what this is, in here I have a pair of glittery like bell-bottom pants from Bershka, and they're so beautiful, but the glitters get everywhere, so I had to put them in a bag so that it wouldn't get all over my drawer and all my other pants. So here I have like all of my jeans. This is basically all of my jeans. As you can see, I have a lot of like the same color, like a light denim jeans, I don't know. Over here I have denim skirts, and then here I keep my shorts, which I'm wearing one of them, which usually goes over there, and it just has plenty of room for any other denim pieces that I'll get in the future. So that's that drawer. And then the last drawer at the bottom is kind of not really anything. I keep my workout clothes here. Some of it is in the washing machine right now, and then I have some random stuff over here. Oh, actually, I also like to keep my gym bag in here, which I forgot to do, but yeah. That is that drawer. Nothing really special. It doesn't really have a function. It's just like workout clothes and random stuff. And then here at the bottom you can see these like shoe containers, and basically in there I just have some of my shoes. I also have some of my shoes in the hallway, like by our like rack thing, whatever you want to call it. But I just keep some shoes that I don't wear super often in here, or just shoes that I didn't want to put over there. So that is pretty much my closet. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a new intro and outro, which is coming obviously. Like, I have a new banner on my channel. Everything's new. Let me know what you guys think of it. Comment down below. I worked pretty hard on it, so you know. so dumb. Follow me on my social media. It is always linked down below. Come talk to me because I literally love talking to you guys so much. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.